There's a big focus from the external world on biodiversity. There's an increase in legislation and regulation that we're seeing. We're seeing that our stakeholders are starting to ask questions along the value chain about how companies are managing their impacts and dependencies on biodiversity. As you can see, we're working in a natural landscape. We are interacting with habitats and species all the time. So as we do our operations, it's really important that we look at how we're impacting the landscape and that we manage those responsibly. Oh, it's super exciting, the positive impacts that we can create through our business. Through the extraction process, we're creating new habitats. Sometimes that's hard to appreciate, but you can see from here that all the benches that we're creating through the extraction can be colonized by beautiful species, whether that be grasslands or trees. Improving biodiversity can improve CRH at different levels. At the site level, it can really help build trust with the communities and with the regulators, showing that the company is very responsible in how it manages the land it's operating. And then up to corporate level, where it can support our reputation. We have many good stories that we can tell about what we're doing around the world with different species and habitats, and that can really improve our reputation and can also help our investors understand that we are a trustful company to invest in and that we really deliver on our commitments. So it's really interesting as the focus on biodiversity is growing in the external world. It's great to see how this is being picked up by the value chain, and we're starting to have some of our customers come to us and ask us about what we're doing for biodiversity. They're asking us about where our raw material comes from, and they're asking us about the actions that we are starting to take for biodiversity. The biodiversity challenge cannot be solved by one company. It's really important that we collaborate across with our suppliers, with our customers, with NGOs, with universities, with governments. Working together, we can really start to look at how we can solve the crisis.